you don't have money to trade or you don't have capital to trade, then this is the best available video for you, because I'll be showing you how to get a $30 free account where you do not need to deposit, you do not need to pay any money at all. You just simply have to trade, meet the terms, and withdraw. And I'll be telling you about the terms and conditions because I reached out to their customer care to request for it, and these are the terms and conditions. Alright, first you can see I asked if there's any deposit required, and they say no, there's not. So I also asked about the lot size required, and they mentioned that we need just 10 lot size, and scalping and edging is not allowed. For scalping, you need to hold your trade for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and edging means you're not allowed to buy and sell the same pair at the same time. So you can't buy and sell, let's say Euro USD at the same time. If you want to buy, you buy. If you want to sell, you close your buy and sell. That's the meaning of edging. So that is not allowed. And also, there's no time limit to which you can trade the account. Once you claim the account, till you most likely lose it, that's when it ends. But if you don't lose it and you keep on making profit, you can trade it as much as you like. There's no time limit. And also, you can see that there's no deposit required. Okay, you don't need to put any money to withdraw. There are some brokers that tell you deposit before you can withdraw. This one, you don't need to do that. Just simply trade and withdraw. All right. And for more details about the terms and conditions, I'll put the link in the description so you can go and read it more detailedly. All right. Now, some of my guys are already getting it, as you can see it over here. So you are sure, if you follow the steps I will outline in this video, you would get it. And also, don't forget to follow on Telegram to follow the community. This is a free community where I share updates, where I share testimonies of what is happening, plus withdrawal proofs. Also, for the next 7 days, I'll be giving free signals. So if you don't know how to trade, you can join this Telegram group where you're getting free signals for the next 7 days. All right. And don't forget to like this video as a way of saying thank you. If you really appreciate this info, like this video, subscribe. Let's go. All right, first of all, the link brings you here. Now, once you get your free $30 bonus, drop a comment that you got it. Let others know that this is real, this is genuine. Okay, and don't forget to like. So first, you want to put in the details about yourself. This is me doing mine, and I'm going to just keep this process because you already know what to do. You put the necessary details required. Now, after completing that, it brings you to the next phase where you choose USD. For this, you choose MetaTrader 5. You cannot get it if you should choose MetaTrader 4. You choose USD, and you choose under this trading account type, you choose no deposit bonus. You can see that is what you should choose. If not, you won't get it. Leverage 1:100. And then for terms and conditions, if you just tap on any of those, it can show you the document where you can just scroll to it if you like. But then you have to accept all terms so that we can go to the next phase. So once you click on submit, it takes you directly into the site. You can see now, once you get into the site, you will be required to complete authentication. This is a way of verifying properly so that nobody will be able to hack into your account or gain into your account unauthorized. So you can see this is it. So you might have to download an app. I already have it downloaded, Google Authenticator. See it here. So after I got in, I completed the step. Okay, I put in my key and then got this code of which I put it. The code, you have to do the code within, I think, 30 seconds. If not, the code flies away from the app. So you can see we're on the site. So if you scroll below, you will see this is where you see your $30. This place where you're seeing 00, you scroll below. Okay, right here you can see my $30 right there. Now you need to understand that apart from this $30, they also have another offer. It's a $50 account, but that $50 is a competition account. That means you trade amongst other persons, and then if you get to be among the either top 5 or top 10, you win a prize, something like maybe $1,000 or so. But that is an optional thing for you to do. But this one is a $30 where once you trade, you meet the terms, you simply withdraw. And the minimum you can withdraw is $30. The maximum you can withdraw is $70. All right. Peace.